We have completed the installation for the heaters on this 2024 RAV4 Toyota. And guys, it's not much to it. Well, the whole process, I'll make a video about it. But this is the switch, and you have high, it goes red. You have low and goes green. You have neutral. Obviously, right now the vehicle is in operation. That's why you can do that. Once the vehicle goes off, the whole system is disengaged. It needs leather for sure. Guys, if you need your heaters, visit LeatherTeck.com or Upholstery Technology. We have heaters for you to install. They're very cheap. The costly part is the labor, the installation. But that's where the switch goes. Let me show you the other side. Beautiful, brand new from the dealer. This is for our partners of Toyota, and this was assigned to us because the buyer wanted it heaters. See guys, high and low. Again, it needs leather. We have a version of this vehicle with leather in our Facebook page, I believe. I don't think we have it in the YouTube, but in the Facebook page on Upholstery Technology, we have different versions of leather, different styles of these vehicles already been made. So you can take a look right there. And if you decide to purchase your leather kit, guys, just click in the link below, make an inquiry, put it in the comments, or go to LeatherTeck.com or to EMUpholsteryTechnology.com. Guys, I'll see you in our next project. Even if you have any questions, put it in the chats. 2024 RAV4 seems like to be electric or hybrid, something like that.